Meaning of futurity.
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 Futurity. The word futurity refers to the quality or state of being in the future, something that is yet to come. It can also refer to the concept of future generations and their concerns. The term implies anticipation, hope, and uncertainty about what might happen or be achieved in the coming days, weeks, months, or years. Futurity often plays a significant role in decision-making processes, as individuals and organizations aim to secure better outcomes for themselves and others in the future. Overall, futurity is a concept that emphasizes the importance of forward thinking and long-term planning.